Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi le 12 mai. The question for today is, qu'est-ce que tu fais à l'école? Before we do our bell ringer, we're going to do some review. You are going to get in 4 or 5 equal groups. You're going to sit with your group. You'll get a small pile of flashcards. The shortest person will start asking. You're going to ask from English to French, and you're going to pass the cards when indicated by the teacher. Be sure to be on task and involved. You know there's always a plan B. Please do not pass the cards until your teacher tells you to do so. Okay, now go back to your original seats and put everything away. Now you're going to do your bell ringer by yourself without any notes. Please put your name on it and the date. Today is May 12th. You're going to list 5 school subjects, any 5 that you can remember. Remember, we only did the ones you take currently. List 3 places or rooms that you go in school. And list 2 school activities. When you're done, turn your paper over and wait for the teacher to collect them. As you're doing your bell ringer, here are the school subjects, places you go, and school activities that we went over in English, just to remind you of the ones that we studied in case you need that as you're doing your bell ringer. Okay, now would you please take out your vocabulary sheets and turn to this page. We have 2 boxes left to go over. You're going to match up with your 6 o'clock partner, the English and the French. It should take you about 3 minutes. The last 4 review, and certainly the last 3 should be very familiar to you. When you're done, please wait for the teacher to go over the answers. Here are your answers. Je vais is I'm going or I go. Please look on your paper and make sure that you have the correct answer written down. Je prends is I take, like in your school subjects, like je prends le français, I take French. J'ai, je n'ai pas, I have or I don't have. Like j'ai un chien, I have a dog, mais je n'ai pas de chat, I don't have a cat. Il y a, il n'y a pas. We did these a while ago and we have not reviewed them. We did them with house and home. For example, remember we said il y a un livre sur le bureau when we were talking about things in your room. J'aime, I like. Je n'aime pas, I don't like. We've done that many times. Je déteste, I hate. And je préfère, I prefer. So you can use all of these to talk about your school and your teachers. Okay, turn to the next box. You have people or things that are associated with school, so we need to go over some of these objects. So you have a student, a book, a pencil, different class periods, a pen, computer, 3 different kinds of computers, homework, smartboard, paper, notebook, and test. So if you would please write the proper English on the line with your 8 o'clock partner. Do a great job. And then when you're finished with that, wait until the teacher goes over the answers. Okay, here are your answers. L'élève is student. L'examen is test. L'ordinateur is a regular desktop computer. Portable is a laptop, and la tablette is a tablet. La période is your class period. Le cahier, notebook. Le crayon, pencil. Le livre, book. Le papier, paper. Le stylo, pen. Le tableau blanc électronique is your smartboard, and les devoirs is homework. Okay, now go back to your original seats. You need to have your notes out and a pen or pencil. You can use any notes that you wish. You're going to get a paper that looks like this. Put your name and the date, May 12th. You're going to write the following sentences in French with proper spelling and accents using your notes. So you're going to need a little bit of help with number 5. this to go is aller, A-L-L-E-R. Number 4, math test. You know both words, but the order of them is different. It's l'examen de maths. And then number 6, on the weekend is simply le weekend. Okay? So use your notes and logically go through there and come up with some useful things with all that vocabulary that we've just done. When you're done, you need to turn your paper over, read a book, or do something quietly. Now, if you will please make sure that everybody has a highlighter. Hand it to the person behind you, and we'll go over the answers. Please just highlight anything that is incorrect. Je vais au gymnase pour jouer au basket. Number 2. Je prends le français et l'espagnol. Number 3. J'ai un crayon et un livre pour classe. 4. Il y a un examen de maths mardi. 5. Je n'aime pas aller au bureau. 6. Je déteste les devoirs le week-end. 7. Je n'ai pas de cahier ou de stylo. 8. Je préfère lire à la bibliothèque. 9. Je parle avec mes amis en classe. And 10. Il n'y a pas d'ordinateur dans la cantine. So you should have highlighted anything that's incorrect on your partner's paper, just even if it's a letter or word. You need to return it to the owner, and when you get your paper, look it over for mistakes. You can see the answers right up here. That's a very crucial step. And then you need to pass it forward, and the first person in each row can put it in the inbox. Please remember to keep up on your old vocabulary, and the Quizlet is posted online.